Hey guys, and today we're going to take a look at the Kolink Citadel mesh micro-atx case that costs around 60 bucks. And let's see what it's made of. So this case comes with a tempered glass side panel that sits on hinges instead of screws. And I must say I like the hinges better. So on the front we have our usual microphone and headphone jacks, a power and a reset switch, and 2 USB 3 ports and 1 USB 2 port. So behind the mesh front sits 2 120mm PWM fans that comes with it out of the box. In the front you can mount up to 2 140mm fans, as well as radiators up to 280mm. So on the top we have a magnetic dust filter, and you can fit up to 2 120 or 140mm fans and the radiators up to 240mm. And the back of the case only supports a single 120mm fan. So on the bottom of the case we have a standard cheap cutout dust filter for the power supply. And the max height for your CPU cooler is 190mm, and the max length for your power supply is 200mm. And the max GPU length is 345mm, so you can fit pretty big GPUs in it. So let's talk about the temperatures. And in here I have a Gigabyte B450i Aorus Pro Wi-Fi with an AMD Ryzen 5 2600X, which is cooled by the AMD Brave Spire, as well as an Gainward GTX 970, a blower style card. So I measured the temperatures with and without the side panel, and let's see how it went. What can I say about this? It has a lot of great things going for it. I mean, the included fans are quite quiet. I have been subject to worse, and I was very surprised to see that it had quite a lot of room for cable management compared to some other cheap cases. And so I recommend this case to anyone who are on a budget and want something that performs well and looks good for not a fortune. So that's it for this time. I hope you have enjoyed it. Leave a like if you did. And have you thought about getting this case? Or have you built in it? Leave it in a comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell so you don't miss any future videos. And I'll see you all very soon.